Welcome back to Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. In this video, we are doing some key points. So if you are in the same edition that I am in, this is page 50 through 60. The first line of this section is Montag did not move, and the last line of this section is get well and keep well. We are talking about this huge speech by Beatty. The first thing that Beatty does when he walks into the room is to establish familiarity and understanding. I've come to see the sick man, because we're friends. He's calm, he's understanding, he's not offended at all that Montag didn't call in to work. He also completely ignores Mildred in this scene. Montag is his only focus. Then he invites Montag to be an insider. When he's talking about the history of the firemen, Beatty says, they don't feed it to rookies the way they used to. I'll let you in on it. This is something only the fire chiefs know. So he's elevating Montag to a higher level. Then Beatty launches into this history, and let's look at the first line. When did it all start, you ask, this job of ours? Beatty is taking control right here. He is going to steer this conversation, and he's going to limit Montag's participation as much as possible. Then he overwhelms Montag. He dumps a lot of information on him very quickly. So if you look at Beatty's presentation in this section, it's very theatrical and over the top. It's dramatic. It's sort of like the programs that Mildred watches in her parlor. It's confusing. It's overwhelming. The next thing he is going to do is create an us versus them. Beatty is going to establish the two sides, the two teams. He does this by actually talking about teams. He starts talking about sports. You like baseball, don't you, Montag? Something that is easy to agree with. Then Beatty talks about group spirit and fun. He's created the us. This is our side. Now he's going to create the them. And the them, that other side that Beatty creates are minorities and intellectuals. Now let's take up the minorities in our society. All the minor minorities with their navels to be kept clean. These people who need all the hand-holding. They have to be catered to. Then he talks about the intellectuals. And again, he tries to establish that familiarity with Montag. Didn't you hate the smart kid in your class? Who knows who might be the target of the well-read man? Intellectuals have targets. They are dangerous. They're antagonistic. You can't trust them. They're not on the team. They're not with us. They're not for us.